Malaria prevalence rate has reduced from 8% to 5.6% since the last survey was conducted 3 years ago. According to the Ministry of Health, confirmed malaria cases are reduced from 113 to 86 per 1,000 people, as the prevalence rate from the Prawn Lake region dropped from 27 rather, to 18%. Our reporter Daniel KARIUKI reports that the drop has been attributed to the introduction of malaria vaccine in 2019.
Kenya is among a list of the only 3 countries, including Malawi and Ghana, that have deployed the first malaria vaccine.
Many Kenyans may not be aware that in Africa it is only Kenya, Ghana and Malawi that have deployed the first ever malaria vaccine.
According to the Ministry of Health, since September 2019, more than 190,000 children have received at least 1 dose of the malaria vaccine from selected areas in the country.
Just like the Lake region, at the coast is something we are going to be very keenly following. Malaria can be a challenging disease. Resurgence can easily come if we let our guard down.
The impact has been good. The vaccination is given to, they get 4 doses of the vaccination, and it has also been able to reduce the burden significantly. It has a 40%, slightly under, when it was introduced, it was slightly under 40% prevention.
Today, the World Malaria Day was marked as the disease continues to contribute more than half of infant mortalities in Africa, but still a significant killer in older age groups. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, over 80% of deaths caused by malaria occur in Africa. The ferocious statistics are, however, not to imply that there are no gains made in the fight. According to the National Malaria Control Program, the drop is attributed to the prevention measures set up.
Areas around the lake region, and it's about the mosquito density. Yeah, there are very many mosquitoes. And the reason why we have that is that mosquitoes thrive in areas that are humid. In 2011, the prevalence was at 11%. And then in 2015, the prevalence was at 8%. What we predict is that the incidence will go down next year, but the prevalence is normally measured after every 3 years. We have a survey that is called Malaria Indicator Survey, where they go to the community, they take blood samples, and they are able to determine.
WHO indicates that annual deaths caused by malaria have declined from over 800,000 at the end of the 20th century to less than 400,000 in 2016. Even when 70% of the population is at risk of falling ill to malaria, the world marks the International World Malaria Day at a time when the prevalence rate is at a steady decrease. Daniel KARIUKI for Switch TV, Nairobi County.
Thank you, Daniel KARIUKI.